Alright, we're going to be cleaning a carpet today with the Oreck Orbiter. And this is like a group home for foster kids, so we'll video as much as we can, but we may not be able to show everything. If the kids come up the stairs or something like that, we won't video when kids are present. But this is one room, and there's a closet. Then we got a landing area that's got a little bit more. There's some carpet back there, but not that much. And over here, stairs. And another room over here with a smaller closet. So we're going to show as much of this as we can. We're going to be using the Oreck Orbiter today. So stay tuned. Alright, work in progress. Watch out, there's a cord or something there. There was a large stain in the closet there that we scrubbed it and we sprayed some ammonia on it, so we'll let that sit for a little bit. And there are some red stains in here, but we've sprayed those with ammonia. Okay, the kids vacuumed before we arrived, so
yeah, they sure did.
They're like grade school age kids.
Apparently it's spring break, so
yes, it's spring break, so
we don't have kids or mess with kids, so we don't know about that.
You need the ammonia?
No, not yet. No, not at all.
All right, carpets are all nice and fluffy. I'm going to pause the camera till we get to the next stairs, so stay tuned. Alright, we're putting down a pre-spray. This is a neutral pH. And we have pre-treated some of these darker things. We pre-treated them with some ammonia-based spray. So we'll see how it goes when you start hitting it with the machine here in a few seconds, so stay tuned. Alright, here we go. I'm not going to say what this stuff is, but there may or may not have been a puppy that was up here.
Well, this is a ranch out in the country, so there's a chance they've been out ranching and come up there and the boots are dirty and stuff from the fields.
I'm not going to try to video back there. This came out pretty good. We don't guarantee 100% stain removal. Even though most stains do come out, we don't guarantee it, because if you guarantee it, you have to get it out. I was telling this to one of our viewers a few days ago, and they were talking about something similar to this subject, and I was telling them always always under-promise, never over-promise, because if you under-promise, then people are really pleasantly surprised with the results if they're better than what they expected once you build their expectations up. But if you give them unreasonable expectations and they're expecting perfection and you can't achieve it for whatever reason, then they're going to be disappointed a little bit. And so you want to always make it so they're happy when you're done, not where they're kind of disappointed. So that's just part of one of the things you got to do when you do this type of business is you've got to be able to let the customer know what to reasonably expect, because you can't get everything out, and there's wear and tear and things like that. That no matter what you do, the carpets may not look perfect. So you don't want to try to guarantee things you can't do. That's another reason we never tell people we sanitize carpets. Even if we did, we don't talk about it, because you can't guarantee that you did. There's no way to sanitize a carpet where it's not going to be dirty within a few minutes anyway, because it starts to build up again with bacteria and whatnot.
As soon as someone walks across it.
Yeah. I'm going to pause the camera here because we're getting ready to move to the next room. So keep watching. Alright. This is the last room upstairs. We didn't pre-spray the whole room, so he's going to go as far as his pre-spray went, and then we're going to pause the camera again to spray some more. And again, the children vacuumed up here before we arrived, so there's still a lot of stuff that they missed. But the carpets will be dry in about an hour, and they can vacuum again if they want to. Watch out, your cord's pinched under the door. Yeah, much better. Gonna have to ready to pre-spray some more.
Yeah, you might as well stay in here. We're gonna finish this room out right now at this hotel.
Okay. I'm gonna pause.
Spray's over here.
I'm gonna pause for a moment while we pre-spray, and we'll start back up. And we're back, having pre-sprayed. So most everything's coming out, and the carpets are getting fluffed up nice.
come across the stain that's kind of hard, come here. Like this black stuff here, you just let it sit for a second. You can push it back and forth a little bit, but it takes it out. You don't push down on it, you don't do nothing. If it don't come out, you spray some ammonia on it.
Yeah, we'll doctor that up in a minute. Alright.
There's very little stuff that won't come out with ammonia. Those are going to get ammonia. I'm going to get the ammonia and fix it right now, matter of fact.
Alright. So, hopefully you can remember the carpets had a lot of spots and stuff in them that are now gone. Of course, there's things like the wear and tear that you're not going to be able to 100% remove, but you can get the stains out. But you may still have a spot in the carpet that, where the fibers have been deteriorated.
Ah, good old ammonia.
Yeah, that's already lightening up.
Sure it is.
Okay, I think that's going to be it for this video.
I can almost go without cleaning it.
He's going to go over a little bit more. But we just have to, we've got actually some stairs to do, but they're going to be too hard to video. They're too narrow and steep to show, but we'll get those cleaned, and then they have an area rug we're going to clean. We're not going to video that either, because that's pretty simple. But hope you enjoyed watching the video, and till next time, thanks for watching.